The CCO Resources Toolkit has been designed by BDO to provide organisations with the tools, templates and know-how to develop a response to the corporate criminal offences legislation. As a reminder, the Corporate Criminal Offences CCO legislation was introduced in September 2017 and means that your business can be prosecuted for a criminal offence if it fails to prevent someone within the business or along the supply chain from facilitating tax evasion, either through deliberate action or by simply turning a blind eye. Crucially, there is a defence from prosecution if the business can demonstrate it has reasonable prevention procedures in place. The CCO Resources Toolkit is essentially a piece of software that provides you with the relevant documents and guidance, all aligned to each of HMRC's 6 guiding principles in how to develop a defence to the legislation. Specifically, it includes the following documents to support your CCO framework, such as a CCO risk register template with detailed guidance and example risk areas, a typical CCO response implementation plan, a board paper on CCO, detailed examples of internal and external communication on CCO, example code of conduct and contractual terms for suppliers, examples of due diligence checklists, a high-level CCO training deck in PowerPoint, various declaration templates you may wish to use with contractors or agency staff. The toolkit also includes a number of questions to help you consider the impact of the CCO legislation for your business. This is a precursor of the formal CCO risk assessment and will help you in considering where to direct your thoughts and resources. The toolkit is available for immediate purchase via our BDO website, is intuitive to use, and provides clear guidance and instruction based on our experience of working with over 200 businesses in how to develop a defence to the legislation. It has been designed specifically with SMEs in mind, but can also be used by larger organisations as an initial first step to CCO compliance.